Good evening, everybody. My name is Orgho Majumdar, and I usually post paintings in my group. Art itself is a huge subject. It covers a lot of area. Now, if we want to focus on a particular subject, there is no issue. But as per my experience, I won't say experience, I am not experienced at all like many other YouTubers. In fact, I learned from many YouTubers. I think that there should not be a specific way, only we have to be versatile. We have to select new approaches. Now, as we take on new approaches, we of course would come up to some difficulties, some problems. Maybe in some cases we need some different equipments. So today I am going to show you a painting that I made today with reference to a photograph from a group in Facebook. This group posts for photographs of different aspects and human figures. Sometimes I like them to draw, sometimes I don't like them to draw, but it is a daily challenge. So let's not waste time, and I would try my best to show my approach to the painting. Come on, let's go. Yes, good evening, gentlemen. This is the painting that I received from Facebook group Daily Challenge, and with reference to this picture I have drawn a charcoal painting. For this I have used a simple soft Brusto charcoal pencil. I could afford just one pencil. I used tissue paper, some cotton cloths, and a micro tip pen for finishing touches. If you watch closely, I smudged. I first cross-hatched this part of the entire black region, and then I used tissue paper for smudging. For the shades on the face, I used a general watercolor brush, and I just dragged the deep part of the colors on the lighter shades, for lighter shades. So these are all techniques that I have not been taught by someone. These are the things that I learned, some from my fellow YouTubers and some I had to generate automatically from the artistic sense that I have developed. See, these smudging, there was nothing in the actual picture The actual picture showed that there were some chess, chess pieces. Look, here are some out of focus chess pieces and the focus is on this pawn. I didn't draw the black color of the trousers, so I left many a things and I left it to my artistic sense. This is what an artist needs to do. Now, if I had to draw a watercolor for the same thing, definitely I could not do these detailings. They would be hard, and watercolor is not for hard paintings. Another thing I would like to show, look at this part, the upper right hand corner part, left hand corner. Look at this part. Here I have smudged the entire thing and there is no hatches are specifically visible here. But here I didn't smudge, and look at the effect. I can clearly, visibly see, look here also I have smudged. I have spread the entire thing, and here I have not smudged, and you can see the reckless nature that is visible. Now, many people, many artists often may say that they don't have time to experiment with colors and different techniques. They do a 9 to 10 job, maybe, but they are artists. And one thing that I would recommend, that an artist should not lose his artistic vision. For this picture, I have taken a reference, but if I had to draw the same picture from my mind, definitely I would do some mistake. There are some proportions for these hands, the face recognition, the face detailings I have not just copied from the picture, but I had a reference. So if someone has to master, then they have to practice, no excuses. So while painting, any kind of painting, be it portrait painting, be it a landscape painting or a watercolor, you need to develop a soothing environment. For example, I often hum while drawing a painting. Of course, not while doing the detailings, but I have seen that while humming, I feel some tense has gone out and I can do the strokes easily. This is the first step of any painting, any age. The strokes should be clear and there should not be any ambiguity. Right. The artist should be free and fair. So, for an amateur artist like me, I would recommend that do a sketch every day. Do a sketch, be it a very bad sketch or something you don't even want to show to your parents or to anyone, but just as an excuse for practice, you have to free up your hands and do human figures. My mistake now. After this painting, I will face some difficulties. What are the difficulties? I will tell you a little bit later. Yes, gentlemen. After doing this charcoal painting, this was my second attempt in charcoal painting, and I have seen that it's difficult to protect and preserve charcoal paintings as it is. And charcoal painting is much faster technique than pencil sketch. For a pencil sketch you have to do a bit of hard work, and every medium has a different nature of showing the subject. So that's what you have to master. Any painter, any artist has to master that thing. So let's get to the point that I will face some difficulty with this charcoal painting in preserving this charcoal painting. The charcoal ink, the charcoal pencil scratches will easily get to my fingers if I put my fingers on the dipper or any part of the painting. It may blur the painting, it may damage the painting. So, what to do? YouTubers. I have often taken the help of many of my fellow YouTubers, and every YouTube channel offers very detailings, and I am quite an amateur, and I am in no position to teach you how to paint, and that's for sure. So every painting has its challenges. So I would suggest never get adapted to a single subject. Try different things. Try different challenges. I have micro tip pen. Next time I may show you some shadowing with micro tip pen, and it may also make me feel happy and make me feel more honored that how come this thing has appeared. Even I didn't expect these things. So that's the prime aspect of a painting, of different paintings. Now art, as I said before, is of different form. Try and try newer and newer things. Of course, master on one thing, and if you master on the basic things, I don't think you will have much trouble with different mediums. So, thank you guys. My name is Orko Majumdar. I am from Kolkata, India, and thank you very much for watching me. If you like my painting work, do subscribe my channel, comment on my channel, and share the picture. Share my channel, sorry. This is my first video. Thank you very much. Thank you.